everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see in this video how to make a simple but yummy BLT sandwich for summer. And first of all, I'm going to take the sandwich bread and cut it into half because this is a nice big sandwich. This will be good for 4 servings, meaning for 4 people. And toast both sides of the bread. This will give it a very nice flavor, and make sure both breads are toasted on all sides, just like that. And once this is done, we are going to take the turkey bacon, or you can find on halal stores, you could find the beef bacon, but my kids like the turkey bacon, so I'm going to fry that in the same pan. No oil added because it has a lot of fat in it. जो बेकन होता है उसमें ऑलरेडी काफ़ी सारा फैट होता है, तो उसको हमने बस सिर्फ इसी तरह ग्रिडल पे रख के, या जिस भी फ्राइंग पैन में होता है उसमें दोनों साइड से उसको बगैर ऑयल डाले फ्राई कर लेना है. Crispy, make it very crispy or make it a little bit loose. Just fry from both sides, just the way you like it. So once this is done, put it away on a paper towel and let whatever grease is left, let the paper towel soak it out. पेपर टावल पे रखते हैं ताकि जो भी उसकी ग्रीस है वो ख़त्म हो जाए. अच्छा, so let's make a sandwich sauce with 1/4 cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard. Mix everything together, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and our sauce is ready. Slice the tomato. Slice a big tomato. If you want bigger slices, take lettuce, wash it. अच्छे से wash कर लें उसको, wash it, and then just make sure that it's dry before you put it in your sandwich. You know, pat it dry, or whichever way, just let it sit on paper towel. Add a generous amount of the sauce we just made on the bottom side of the bread. This is my family's favorite sandwich. It's not too heavy, perfect for summer eating. For lunch, this is perfect. Okay, so now we are going to layer the bacon over it, just like that, as much as you want. जितना आपका दिल चाहता है उतना आप रखें. ओके, बच्चों को तो बहुत सारा अच्छा लगता है, और अच्छा क्रिस्पी फ्राई हुआ हुआ अच्छा लगता है. ठीक से अरेंज हो गया. ओके जी, अब हम इसके ऊपर टमाटर के स्लाइसेस लगाएंगे. जितने टमाटर आप उसके ऊपर लगा सकते हैं, as many as you can fit on it easily, because you don't want the tomatoes to slip out. So make sure you arrange them properly. ठीक से रखें ताकि वो स्लिप होके बाहर ना निकल जाएं. There you go. Perfect. Okay, just a pinch of sea salt. That always gives the tomatoes a very good yummy flavor. I love it. Not too much, just a pinch. Then make sure that lettuce has no water and place it on top of your tomatoes. This is layer 3. So now we have the BLT done. Bacon, lettuce and tomato on top of the bread. And let's cover the bread. Voila, there you go. All right, time to cut the sandwich. Take a nice good knife, hold the sandwich down and slowly slice the bread. You don't want to put too much pressure in the beginning. Either the tomatoes will fall out or the bread will, okay, get out of shape. बहुत ज़्यादा जोर नहीं डालना है, बस आराम से आप उसको कर लें. There you go. Serve it to your family. Enjoy it yourself and let me know when you make that sandwich. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And I will see you with another video soon. So stay connected. Thank you. Bye. Allah Hafiz.